6 ways to improve your IELTS writing section. Well, guys, common topic, but hear me out because I have some special facts to tell you. Firstly, practice and practice more. Sounds pretty obvious, right? But here I'm going to outline how you need to practice. Firstly, pick up those commonly asked topics from Google. Type it online, the most common topics in IELTS writing, and then pick one topic, pen down your thoughts, write the whole essay or say letter, and then get it reviewed from a person who's better in writing than you. It could be some website that you are referring to, it could be your family member or a friend. Get it reviewed, take feedback, and then work on those improvements. That is the first thing. Practice, feedback, and working on the improvement. Secondly, understand the requirement thoroughly. Do not skip on the instructions. They are really, really important whether it is writing, speaking, listening, or reading. Understand the instructions, understand the word count, what is being asked, what are those sub questions, how you have to structure your essay or task one of the writing section. Prepare well and then start writing. So that 2 minutes break is needed by your end, guys, where you have to thoroughly think, understand the instructions, and then start writing. That is really, really important. Third thing, guys, work on your basic English grammar. Now, writing test score comprises of structuring, comprises of vocabulary, and also grammar. If you're making too many grammatical mistakes, then it is a very bad impression on the IELTS examiner. He will penalize you for these silly mistakes in terms of spellings, verbs, tenses. So promise me that you have to work on IELTS grammar. That's really important. And I have a few videos. You can click on the I button and watch my videos based on English grammar. If you're thorough with English grammar, then you will not commit any silly mistakes. And that is where you get a plus point because you create an impact on the examiner that you are well versed in English. And wherever the score will be cut might be around your ideations or maybe structuring. But you have to leave no end for the examiner to judge you on your English grammar. Now, the fourth point here is, guys, work on vocabulary. Why I say vocabulary? See, fluency is important. Again, grammar is important. But by vocabulary, using some advanced English words, you create a good impression on anybody who's reading your essay or say letter or task one if you're giving academic. Now, guys, vocabulary means here is that pick up say 5 words every day, learn those 5 words, and try using them constantly in your writing section. That is how you will get, hands hold experience on that. You will be able to memorize them and recall during your exam test. So vocabulary is very important. I have created few YT shorts. Again, you can visit my channel and watch those YT shorts and understand the vocabulary and learn those new words. The fifth point is, guys, give enough time in your day for writing test. Here you have to focus on one type of question or one skill at a time. Unless and until you're able to get a grasp over that, do not proceed to next because when you put so many things on your plate, you're not able to digest it. So go one by one. If you're learning vocabulary, start it for 7 days, then proceed with grammar, then start it for 7 days, then proceed to say reading essays. So once you have done some sections step by step, then cumulatively, which is like take vocabulary half an hour grammar, half an hour practice. After a few days, after giving one full focus to one section, one task, or one skill at a time. I hope you're understanding my point. Do not just jump over or rush over, go step by step. The sixth point is, guys, well, I do not have a point here, but I do provide feedbacks for writing section at the cost of 250 per feedback. You can write to me, you can mail your essays, letters, or task one in academic to me, and I will check it within short period of time and get back to you with the feedback. That feedback contains the errors, the improvements that is needed, and the work areas that you need to focus on. So if you like this video, guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.